Hey friends, welcome to Kusadasi Life. I hope you're well wherever you are. This is day 6 of the lockdown that we have until 17th of May. Now obviously I can't go out and make videos, but here I am sitting outside the market, Turkmen market with Hussein. And what I'm going to do today is give you some useful phrases in Turkish. So if you are coming here on a holiday, these phrases will be very, very useful for you. And when you speak these, the local people will be so happy that you actually speak a bit of Turkish. So let's have a look at some useful phrases in Turkish. This first phrase, hoş geldiniz, is a phrase you will hear a lot in Turkey. Every time you go to a restaurant or you go to someone's home, doesn't matter where you go, this is one of the first phrases that you will hear. Hoş geldiniz, which means welcome. Now that someone's welcomed you, you need a response, and your response should be hoş bulduk. When someone says hoş geldiniz, you reply with hoş bulduk. Literal translation for that is we come well. Let's look at some greetings now. One of the first greetings is merhaba. Merhaba means hello. Merhaba. Repeat after me. It's very important, this word. Merhaba. Hello. Next greeting is something you hear a lot in the morning. Günaydın. Günaydın. Good morning. If you're out and about in the morning, you will hear this a lot. So, günaydın. Good morning. There is a greeting for the afternoon. Tünaydın. However, I very rarely hear that. In fact, I don't think I've ever heard it. So let's skip that and go on to the next one. İyi akşamlar, which is good evening. İyi akşamlar. You'll find it helpful if you repeat the words after me. İyi akşamlar. İyi akşamlar. Let's look at the last greeting for the day, and that is İyi geceler. Good night. İyi geceler. Repeat after me. İyi geceler. Good night. Let's look at some words and phrases now for people brought up with good manners. First one is lütfen. Lütfen. Lütfen means please. Lütfen. The next word is thank you, and thank you can be said in 4 different ways. Teşekkür ederim. Teşekkür ederim. Or teşekkürler. Teşekkürler. Some people just use sağ ol, and some people even also use merci. So any of those ways, teşekkür ederim, teşekkürler, sağ ol, or merci works very well. The next phrase is very common, and you'll probably hear this all the time as well. Nasılsın. Nasılsın means how are you? Nasılsın. If someone's asked you how you are, I guess it's only polite to answer. So the answer is İyiyim, sen nasılsın? İyiyim, sen nasılsın? I am fine, and you? İyiyim, sen nasılsın? I am fine, and you? Maybe you're not fine, in which case your answer would be çok iyi değil, not very well. Çok iyi değil, not very well. Çok iyi değil. Let's look at the next phrase, asking someone if they speak English. İngilizce konuşuyor musunuz? İngilizce konuşuyor musunuz? Do you speak English? Or you could say, İngilizce biliyor musunuz? Do you know English? İngilizce biliyor musunuz? Do you know English? Or İngilizce konuşuyor musunuz? Do you speak English? Now, if someone's speaking to you and you want to tell them you don't speak Turkish, you could say Türkçe bilmiyorum. I don't speak English. Actually, Türkçe bilmiyorum is I don't know Turkish. If you wanted to say I don't speak Turkish, it will be Türkçe konuşmuyorum. Türkçe konuşmuyorum. I don't speak Turkish. Let's look at the next phrase now. Özür dilerim. Özür dilerim or pardon is I'm sorry. I hear pardon being used a lot, so you can use either özür dilerim or pardon to say I'm sorry. Let's look at the next phrase now for excuse me. Affedersiniz. Affedersiniz. Affedersiniz is excuse me. Affedersiniz, excuse me. Let's look at the next phrase now, asking someone if they can help you. Yardım edebilir misiniz? Can you help me? Yardım edebilir misiniz? Yardım edebilir misiniz? Yardım edebilir misiniz? Let's look at some useful phrases now when you're out shopping. The first one is ne kadar. Ne kadar is how much does it cost? Ne kadar. Ne kadar. How much does it cost? Next phrase is kaç tane. Kaç tane means how many. Kaç tane. Kaç tane. How many. Now here's a useful phrase when you get caught short. Tuvaletler nerede? Tuvaletler nerede? Where are the toilets? Tuvaletler nerede? Tuvaletler nerede? Now here's another useful phrase when you've left your watch at home. Saat kaç? Saat kaç? What time is it? Saat kaç? Saat kaç? What time is it? To say I don't know, you say bilmiyorum. Bilmiyorum. I don't know. Bilmiyorum. I don't know. Bilmiyorum. When you're parting company and you want to say see you soon, the word for that or the phrase for that is görüşmek üzere. Görüşmek üzere means see you soon. Görüşmek üzere. Now here's a phrase I'm sure you'll be using a lot until you get fluent in Turkish. Anlamıyorum. I don't understand. Anlamıyorum. Anlamıyorum. I don't understand. Anlamıyorum. Another word you'll hear a lot is tamam. Okay. Tamam. Okay. Tamam. Let's finish today's lesson with two simple words. Evet and hayır. Evet is yes and hayır is no. Evet, hayır. Evet, yes. Hayır, no. Well, I hope you found those phrases useful. How did you get on? Leave a comment in the section below. Did you find them easy? Did you find them difficult? And when you are here, use them and watch the reaction from the locals. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this short video. So until next time, my friends, take care and stay blessed. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. It doesn't cost you anything and it does help me out a lot. Take care. Bye for now.